In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this part. It's part of the button maker project. It's 31 upper die center. Let's start out by creating a new part. And a new sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to do things a little bit differently this time. I'm going to start out by creating a series of construction geometry. Select construction. I'm going to draw a series of lines. I'm going to draw two vertical lines. Make sure they are vertical. And three horizontal lines. In addition, I'm going to project the X and the Y axis. I'm going to dimension to the origin, but I can't do it. Can't dimension to these black lines. You actually have to lay down some axis. So I'm going to project, still in construction mode, I'm going to project the Y-axis, and I'm projecting the X-axis. I'm going to add some dimensions. Let's start out by dimensioning this line here. And I'm going to make that's the outer dimension, the radius. And I want to make that 2.188 divided by 2. Add a second dimension. And I'm going to make that 2.063 divided by 2. Dimension the thickness of the part. And that's 0.75. This dimension is 0.438. And the dimension from here to here is 0.125. I'm going to draw a series of lines and start out. I'm going to make sure I turn construction off. This is going to be real geometry. So I'm starting at the origin and going out to this point here. The intersection of these two construction lines from here to here, from here to here, here to here, and from here. Now here I'm going to tab over to the angle, and this angle is 141 degrees. Tab, and then I'm going to bring it down to this line here. Extend the line back to the origin, and then from the origin back up to that line. And I'm done. Hit the green check. I'm going to revolve the part, and for my axis I'm going to choose this line here, this line here. Hit OK. I'm going to turn on, go to View, and I'm going to turn on Shaded with Edges. I'm going to go back to 3D modeling. I'm going to put down a point, a 3D point, and I'm going to make it at a center point of a loop of edges. I'm going to select this loop here. I'm going to go to my hole tool and set, this is a countersunk hole. It goes through all. The through hole is 0.25. The depth of the countersink is 0.313. And the diameter of the countersink is 0.438. Hit OK. Forgot to point to the hole. There you go. I'm going to rotate the part around. That's my bottom view. I'm going to create a sketch on the bottom. I'm going to rotate this back around. It turned itself upside down. So I'm going to go back to construction geometry, and I'm going to project on here the x-axis and the z-axis. I'm going to put down a point. Up there. I'm going to add a dimension from here to the point. It's 0.5. Hit finish. I'm going to go to the hole tool, and this is a threaded hole, and the thread size is it's a number 8 hole, 832 UNC 2B, and the depth of the thread is 0.5. Oops. The depth of the thread is 0.5, and the depth of the hole, I'm going to make it 0.55, and hit OK. I'm going to specify the material of the part. I'm going to right-click on the icon here, go to Eye Properties, choose Physical, and under Material I'm going to go to, I'm going to specify aluminum 6061. Hit OK. I'm going to save the part with a file name 31 upper die center